Objective damage assessment is a major pain point for many players along the life cycle of a vehicle, whether it's when manufacturing, during the logistical supply chain on the way to the dealerships, the aftermarket, repair shops, or after accidents when collision and body workshops get involved. Insurance companies today face an issue with objective reporting, while accuracy and long approval processes can induce costly resources and potential fraud. Field adjusters today rely on manual instruments and mobile phones, which do not represent an objective tool. Huge amounts of damages are missed, and multiple images look different depending on the way they were taken, causing inaccuracy of data. In the collision industry, inflated costs to appraise damage cost above the deductible sum is a known issue to many insurance providers. While in the second-hand car market, accredited garages are required to take images of vehicles at different stages and usually miss crucial damage. Expensive external sensors on the body of the vehicle also increase the need for an accurate and technological solution to detect damage at the right stage. Introducing UVeye, an objective AI-driven platform which can solve all hidden damage assessment needs and increase trust in the triangle of insurance, workshops, and customers. Using high-resolution cameras and proprietary hardware, UVeye can install any of the products, inside or outside, rain or shine, and provide objective reporting and damage documentation. Scratches and dents on the body of the vehicle, down to 0.5 mm, can be traced. Hail damage, mechanical issues like rust, oil leakages, broken or torn parts, and more can be exposed within a matter of seconds. All the data is saved on the cloud, and quick comparison and reference by license plate or unique ID from anywhere worldwide can be done on the go. UVeye has been trusted by 6 car manufacturers so far, including Volvo Cars and Toyota, and is installed in over 100 locations worldwide. Get in touch today and schedule a demo with us to see how we can help with your needs in the automotive industry, supporting the smart mobility era while helping increase trust every stage of the way.